We made it to the damn place, Giuseppe. And right now we're getting our sites situated. Bass Lake. Got reserve here, you know. Check this out. Here we go. We're here. We're here. We're actually right there. So it's a decent sized lake. Kind of looks like Africa. Samba Mawaya Hum Releba. Jesse's doing the damn thing. Fucking skeeters were out like crazy, dude. Had to douse. You probably see them flying around. Had to douse up with that deep backwoods deep. Yep. This is where the magic happens, apparently. Got our spot, 12B. We thought that these beautiful pines like went all the way down, right? And we'd have a little more privacy. But that's okay. But there's the other campsite. And there's our campsite. And there's the other campsite. Jesse thinks he's going to be putting his situation right here. I myself am got the Haven tent hammock. We'll be unloading and trying out. Show you guys how that works. But yeah, I was going to go from there to there. It's kind of far and that's our access to the water. So instead, I could go from here to here, but that's, I mean, that's quite the span. So that little tree's in the way for me to go here to here. So I'm going to go from there to here. The only problem is, of course, little stumper, little, you know, root action. But that's all right. Check for deadfall. Nope, looks like a good spot. Even if it storms out, be able to wake up or go to sleep to the sunset over there. That'll be nice. You got the Haven. The Haven Safari. See that? Haven. We're going to try her out, see how she goes. Everything we need right in this bag. This right here, this is the air mattress that goes with it. It's specially designed, so you can't just like buy any old air mattress and put it in, apparently. And this duffel here that I'm unloading right now has got the rest of the live action in it. I thought I ordered the package that came with the pole light and all that stuff, but I did not. So check this out, man. I always keep my friendly little hammock in here, the chill hammock, the old tie-dye. Let's see, extra lashes, basically made out of seatbelt material, really. And this is the setup. This bag contains some spikes, 2 bracer poles, and the old get-up. But here it is, in all its glory. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. So this is basically what it looks like. I already have the rain sleeve on there. These are straps I bought off Amazon. They're a lot sturdier than I think the ones that come with any standard hammock. These are real thick. I'm a big boy, so tight as you can, straight as you can. Nice thing about this hammock tent is that it's got these little loop bobbers, little bungee bobber, so you can go in storm mode with your canopy. This is waterproof. This is waterproof. So, then the front side here, I'll let you show you this real quick. take the tarp off there. Whoa. So this is what it looks like. Here on the inside, those poles I was talking about, those will go right here and there, and that spreads out the top. It's got nice storage everywhere, vented on both sides, you know, and then the mattress goes in here, tucks into the corners over there. Down the little tab here holds it in. More pockets. Pretty good stuff. This mosquito net comes all the way off. So I'm gonna get her going. I'll show you the final product when it's all set up. Here's the final setup. I already got my bed made and everything. But I put a sheet around the air mattress, but the air mattress does tuck in, like I said, to those little pockets right there. It's really nice in there, to be honest. I mean, I laid flat in it. Jesse approves. You know, it's pretty sweet. Not a bad view. Not a bad view at all. Good day. First wake up in the haven. Not too shabby. Look pretty good, actually. Here's the view. Happy Independence Day. I just came from the commode that's over there. A little hole in the ground with a toilet seat on it. There's our campsite. But we're going to go on a little mini adventure this morning. We're going to go check out the beach. Got ourselves a little roundabout at the end here that says beach parking. And apparently this is the path to the beach. A little stroll in the morning. We had a lot of water this year. What do we got here? A little bench. A little grassy knoll. Well, look at this fanciness. That's pretty cool. I dig it. Look how clear that water is. A lot of skeeters up here. Ooh, look at all the fishes. Can you see them? They're all schooling. Waiting for some food, man. So he's got a little bait canister down there. Look at all them sunnies. Beautiful lake. Guy fishing. Giuseppe's mama.
That's right.
Baked these amazing chocolate chip cookies. Tell us what the deal is here, because these are.
She don't tell me the recipe. All I know is they're fucking delicious, and they got walnuts and a drop of honey.
Good for dipping in the coffee. The mocha choca.
I'll find that recipe when she dies.
There's honey in it, that's for sure. But it tastes great. I love it.
Made with love for you, honey. Yeah.
So we're in the truck again, 4th of July, Thursday. Going to the bait shop, get some bait. Gonna go see where Jesse's parents' spot is, and then take the kayaks out and see if we can't catch a couple of lunkers. A little fish dinner, baby. Here we go. Got the American flag rolling on the fishing kayak. All American up, ready to go. Jesse's ready to rock back there. That's right. We have officially launched, baby. Let's go. There he is. Back at it again. Ooh, ooh. Where are we going?
That way, to the creek.
To the creek. That way. Apparently, it's the great boat parade. All these boats, all in a row, going down, all the way down. Look at that action. They're still coming. The boat parade. The Great Loon Boat. Look at that. Woo! A boat float. And then the mighty Jesse cracking open a cold one in the portal. Oh shit. Oh shit. I almost died. But there's a portal right there. That was a fuck of a few hours kayaking. Caught pretty much just a buzz, really. But it's 4th of July. But we went to 3 different lakes. We went to... What lakes did we go to? What lakes did we go to? What lakes did we go to?
Battle Lake, Pickerel Lake, Deer Lake.
And this is Pickerel.
Yep.
This water right here. And Battle Lake is that way. Through that canal that we went through earlier. And then what was the other one? Deer Lake. Oh, Battle Lake's the one actually back that way. That little dip right there. Yep. So that's about all we could do, really. Woo, doggy. Not that warm out, but sure does feel good anyway.
You ready to sing?
Well, looks like we got quite the storm a brewing. Sure is beautiful though. I can tell you that much. Dark over there. We'll see how we handle it. Hatches bat down for the most part. Oh, beautiful morning here at Bass Lake. Gonna do some hiking today. Go check out a waterfall. Hear the eagles cawing in the background. But yeah, do some hiking, go see a waterfall, maybe swim in front of it if it's valid. Otherwise, we're gonna do a little fishing on Bass Lake, see what we can catch us a bass maybe. So I'm gonna get changed and get going. One thing I gotta say though, before I let you go, is this Haven camping hammock is fucking awesome. Night 2, sleeping in it, just the best sleep ever. So anyway, that was a goodbye Haven Tents. Well, we made it. Keeping with the theme, we are at Little American Falls. I don't have a sign to show you, but Jesse's already ready. But we're gonna go see some raging water. Look at this action. Stairs are a little slippery. Whoa. She's a slick one. Yeah, it's just like an overlook, apparently. Damn. Can't really see him. You can hear him. We'll have to climb down there.
Get fucked.
Sir.
I ain't fucking climbing down. It's, dude, that is, you don't climb down that. That's the thing that in Jurassic Park the guy fell down to his death after he crashed into a fucking tree in the rain.
I'll climb down it. You'll be a bald eagle. Chilling.
That's crazy.
That is amazing. Swim! Swim for it! So apparently Giuseppe found a situation.
Oh no, it is back there. So this is
This isn't the drive?
Mm-mm. No, we do have to make a U-turn.
Are you sure?
Yeah, make a U-turn.
We're right on the drive.
We're right here, but we need to be right there. That's
Okay. Well,
this is where it's telling us to make a U-turn. If you wanted to explore it and make the U-turn where the GPS says to, because why not?
I mean, why not? Let's go.
Can't go past that.
Oop, that's a dead end. Now I gotta reverse through the mud.
1, 2, 3, not it for pushing.
Here we go. Yeah. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Real limp biscuit.
Real Limp Biscuit on that. This one? Look at these fucking deer, dude. Look at these motherfuckers.
Close enough to run out and stab.
There he is.
Wagging his tail.
He's like, what the fuck? Things usually move a lot faster.
Not this one. I didn't bring jeans with me.
Yeah, I didn't either, dude. That's Wood Tick Central right there. I'm walking through that shit.
Well, I guess we ain't going there.
Alright, well, what else we got?
It's so old and fucking secluded. That's where the old fucking...
Dude, Deerfly Central, bro.
Yeah.
This truck is surrounded. Look at.
Oh, damn. Yeah, you got that mud all up on it. And they're like, we like mud.
Ooh.
Old.
Happy 4th of July from Bass Lake. Not a bad little view. That's right. Hammock Canton with the Haven. Forever memorialized. beautiful fucking sunset. Mm-hmm. It's another beautiful morning. Processed some wood this morning for the great chicken cook. There's the prep table. Don't mind the worms. Those are for the fishes, not for us. There's a Giuseppe. There's the camp. America, rebels. Here we go. Oh, you know. Straight chilling. She's a rolling. Yeah, buddy. We got here potato, veg is going in the middle of the chicken. See, there's the chicken. Apple on each end to hold that all together. Skewers to poke through. That's not a knife. This is a knife. Hope everybody's doing well. And there we go. Rotis, slow roast all day. Stuffed with veg, stuffed with butter. Mmm. I'm already loving it. Yeah. Oh, good time, Johnny. Look at that. Roasting. Damn, that bird looks real good. Can't wait to chew on it. Now that is a bon appetit. Yeah, we got a friend, dude. Look at this guy. Where'd he go? Shit.
He's playing peekaboo. There he is. Peekaboo. I see you.
Whoa. Oh, damn, he went to the floor.
A boogie, 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 boogie.
Look at him, look at you like, what the fuck? He's like, this is my final fire time. Big roaster by the lake. Yeah, yeah. Wally alligator. Final fire. Doing it big this time.
Hey, you remember this one? I like this. This is a classic from back in the day.
Yeah.
Let me know if you remember it. When I was just a little baby boy, my mama used to tell me some crazy things. She used to tell me my daddy was an evil man. She used to tell me he hated me. But then I got a little bit older and I realized she was the crazy one. But there was nothing I could do or say to try to change it, 'cause this was the way she was. They said I can't rap about being broke no more. Well, they ain't said I can't rap about broke no more. Slut, you think I won't choke no hold till the vocal cords don't work in her throat no more. These motherfuckers are thinking I'm playing, thinking I'm saying this shit, 'cause I'm thinking it just to be saying it. Put your hands down, bitch, I ain't gonna shoot you. I'ma pull you to this bullet and put it through you. Shut up, slut, you can't do what you ass. Bend over and take it like a son. Okay, oh, now he's raping his own mother, abusing a horse, known girlfriend. He gave him the Rolling Stone cover. goddamn right, bitch, and that was too late. Platinum and tragedies happen in 2 states. I invented violence, you vile venomous vile little bitches. Van Vacket and Vin. Texas chainsaw, let his brains all ready from his neck while his head barely hangs on. Blood, guts, guns, cuts, knives, knives, wives, knives, nuns, sluts. Bitch, I'm killing you, you wanna fuck with me. Cause you ain't none but a slut salute. Bitch, I'm killing you, you ain't got the balls to beef. And we don't ever stop beefing, I don't smoke the beef. You better kill me, I'ma be another rep. Popping off the shit I shouldn't have said when they killed me. I'm bringing the world with me. Bitches, you ain't nothing but a club with me. You don't wanna fuck with the shit, no. The shit, you come and kill me. I said you don't wanna fuck with the shit, no. The shit, you come and kill me. Bitch, I'ma kill you like a murder weapon. I'ma conceal you in piles of mildew, sheets, pillows, and film. You fuck with me, I'm shut the hell up and try not to develop these tricks of the devil to suck. I ain't acid rap, but I rap on acid. Got a new blow up doll, then had a strap on that little whoops. Is that a subliminal hit? No, just criminal tricks. Sodomize women again. Eminem fins, no Eminem. So then if you ever give him, you give him a post. Do it again, then if you do it again, he probably jumping out the window, something up in the tent. Bitch, I'ma kill you. Man, I ain't done this, ain't the chorus. I ain't even dug you in the woods yet to paint the forest. A blood stain is on Jack. You watch it 3 or 4 times in the tub, but that's normal, ain't it, no man? Serial killer, hiding murder material in a cereal box on top of your stereo. Here we go again, we're out of our medicines, out of our minds, and I'm on yours, let us in around the corner. You don't wanna fuck with me, cause who you ain't nothing but a salsa. Bitch, I'ma kill you, you ain't got the balls to beef. We don't have to stop beef, not as strong as the beef. You better kill me, I'ma be another rapper dead. Popping off the mouth of shit I shouldn't have said. When they kill me, I'm bringing the world with me. Bitches, too. You ain't nothing but a... You know, I'm just kidding. I love you, ladies.
Yeah. Good job, buddy. That was real nice. Old campsite 12B. She was a good one, but now it's time to say farewell. Hope everybody had a happy and safe 4th of July. Hope that everybody's adventures were just as good as ours. What do you say, Giuseppe? Tell the people something.
Live long, die peacefully.
How about die free?
No, nobody's really free.
All right, happy 4th.